of the camera, and we take a look. This piece here, then you can see the texture of it. You see there is a piece of chocolate. Yes, there are. How good it is. So this is the homemade brownie from totally from flour, not from industrial. Not from industrial powder. I'm always ashamed of using industrial powder and do not have enough skill to make my own one. And this time I finally made it. This one is made from real. This one is made from the very original. Enjoy.